Hi everyone, welcome to Perseverance Ace. Hope you're all doing well and staying safe. Today is August 19th. The first article that you have to read today is only Sharia law says Taliban. This is in regards to recent developments that are taking place in Afghanistan. So, from that perspective, please do read this article. Now, moving on to the next, Assam detention centers for foreigners renamed as transit camps. So what you read is you link this article with CAA. What were the recommendations that were made to begin? That were made in terms of these transit camps. Where were they built? What was the necessity? You have to understand the reason behind building such camps in the first place. Now moving on to next article. So moving on to the next article, that is in page number 4, that is Northeast, still studying OBC quota subcategorization report, UP Minister. Just to get an understanding of what this subcategorization report is, apart from that, I don't see much importance in it. So moving on to the next article, that is page number 5. China wants global public opinion confused about India. This is from Vijay Gokhale, who has been Foreign Secretary of India for a long period of time. Please do read this from this perspective. This will certainly give you an understanding of how China perceives India and how China has been actively undermining India's interest in the region itself. Now moving on to page number 6, that is editorial, the significance of there is no data answer. Just read this article. It talks about lack of data. How has the what had been the impact of having no data in regards to COVID-19 or any other scenario that India is perceiving right now. Now moving on to the next article, aftermath. This talks about Taliban Afghanistan. So please do read about this. This gives you an understanding of as to how other countries are reacting to the Taliban takeover of Afghan. Now, the most important article that you have to read today is keeping an eye on China's expanding nuclear stock or stack. Now, this is from Harsh Vipant, who is foremost expert on international relations and foreign policy. So, from that perspective, please do concentrate on this article. This side of the Chinese expansion is not talked much, but this is going to be a big problem in the future, not only for India but also other powers in the world, particularly given India's interest and India's proximity to China's growing stockpile is also a worry for India. Now, this is how you this from that perspective, please do concentrate on this article. Now, if you could, my suggestion would be to try write a parallel of India's nuclear capabilities so that you develop a complete 360-degree picture of India's nuclear capabilities and the Chinese nuclear capabilities. They talk about Dongfeng, their nuclear capable ICBMs, intercontinental ballistic missiles. We talk about our Agni series missiles. Now try to compare their not only compare, don't compare. My suggestion would be to draw comparisons in the sense that know what their missiles are, know what our military capable nuclear capable missiles are. That will certainly help you not only in prelims, but I think it will also help you in writing an answer in mains. Now moving on, a delayed intervention. This talks about growth rate, overall growth engine, export growth engine, particularly where India lacks and China gains is the manufacturing hub China had become. So, from that perspective, please do read this article. Now, moving on to OPED. This article talks about the need for police reforms, the need for policing in India altogether. It's not only the reforms that we need. The idea of police in India needs a refresh or a new breather, because the way that policing is done and the way the police are perceived in India is not a positive way and not at all good for the future too. So please do concentrate on this article from that perspective. Now moving on to page number 8, a collegium recommends 8 judges for Supreme Court. What you have to read out of this article is what is the collegium procedure. And if you could read about what court reforms or judicial reforms in India too. Now moving on to page number 9, that is news amid Afghan crisis. Jaishankar cut short US visit and also tech to help protect UN peacekeepers. Jaishankar. So look at what UN peacekeepers are, how India has been contributing to UN peacekeeping missions, what is the new technology that they are talking about in this article. Now moving back to the amid Afghan crisis, Jaishankar cut short US visit. This is in regards to the crisis that is brewing in Afghanistan, where a lot of Indians are stranded in Afghanistan, and efforts are afoot to bring those people who are stranded. From that perspective, please do read this article. Now moving on to page number 10, again news, India can do more, hints climate official. This is regards to COP20 that is going to take place, and also recent IPCC report and India's own climate policy. From that point of view, please do concentrate on this article. Now center to boost oil palm farming. uh, this is the article that you have to read, because why oil palm is important for us, from which countries do we import large quantities of palm oil, and what is the policy that government of India is adopting to ensure that our dependency to import palm oil reduces drastically. Now the next article is not for Indo-Swiss medical research agreements. What you read from this is what are the institutes and the area of research is important. Please do read this article. Afghanistan, this gives you an idea as to what will happen or what is the eventual end game in Afghanistan. Moving on to the next article, China won't recognize Taliban until government formation. This is again China backtracking on their word after backlash. So from that perspective, it is significant to understand the timeline of what has been happening in terms of Chinese response to Taliban takeover of Afghanistan. That is why you read this article. Now moving on to the next article, China to curb excessive income in push for common prosperity. Read the details, because this is one of Xi Jinping's model schemes that he wants to introduce to bring equity in the country. Culturally significant, possibly a question in prelims. Please do concentrate on this article. Now moving on to page number 14, that is business. April June GDP growth to be deceptively high at 20% ICRA. What you read is what are the factors that are forcing or resulting the GDP growth to be deceptively high. Those factors are important. Now moving on, India on track to meet meet climate goals, says FM. Again, you read this in terms of COP26 meet, because after the IPCC report, this COP26 is going to be important. Next article is RBI to buy 25,000 crore of bonds August 26. Yesterday I told you about GSEC bonds. Again, those GSEC and GSAP program, bonds and GSAP program are important. That is, GSAP is GSEC acquisition program. I am urging you read about GSEC and GSAP. Possible question. That's why I have yesterday also asked you to read this about GSEC bonds. Please do concentrate. These are the important articles that you have to read in the Hindu newspaper. Thank you. Please do subscribe, comment, and share, and have a great day.